Hello and welcome to a GP50 product spotlight, a global supplier of instrumentation grade level and pressure sensing equipment with more than 30 years of experience. Pressure transducers are a vital component in many different applications today, such as hydraulic pumps, engine and emission test stands, rocket engines, satellites, cranes, food processing, automation, and many other applications. These systems utilize pressure sensors to collect data or control a process or piece of equipment, and for many, it is a critical safety application. Depending on the type of application and requirements, different levels of reliability or robustness may be required. For example, rocket or mission-critical applications require rigorous testing and verification with custom-built designs, whereas basic applications such as measuring water pressure in a pump only require a reliable instrument. In this video, we will go over some common areas to consider in order to extend the life of your pressure transducer. High shock and vibration levels can have a severe effect on the longevity of a pressure transducer. While GP50 designs robust products, knowing these levels before purchasing a product can be the difference between a unit failing after a month to a reliable unit running smoothly for years. Providing this information to GP50 when specifying a unit will help us provide the best option for the application. Pressure spikes are very common in many hydraulic applications. Spikes due to a valve opening and closing or rapidly turning a pump on and off can send a pressure wave that can damage a transducer. Knowing that this is a potential issue when specifying a transducer allows us to provide a snubber to dampen the pulsations, or we can provide high-proof pressure to improve longevity. Some chemicals used in the application may not be compatible with some sensor materials. GP50 provides sensor materials in either 316L stainless steel, Inconel, Hastelloy, titanium, Monel, and Nitronic 50 to meet many different process media demands. Incompatibility may cause drift issues where the chemical etches the sensor and slowly causes an increase in output. The chemical could also attack the sensor and cause a catastrophic failure to happen. While GP50 can provide direction on what is the best material, some applications due to mixing of chemicals, concentration levels, or temperature extremes may cause effects that we are unable to predict. It is the end user's responsibility to specify the best material to work in their application with our guidance. Extremely high or extremely low process or ambient temperatures can cause a transducer to fail prematurely. High temperatures, typically greater than 350 degrees Fahrenheit, can cause the transducer sensor to fail. While many sensors are rated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit max, unless you remotely mount the electronics away from the process heat, they may also fail. Most electronics can handle temperatures up to plus 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Cryogenic temperatures less than negative 300 degrees Fahrenheit can also cause a sensor to fail, and most electronics are rated to minus 65 degrees Fahrenheit. If you have an application that runs to extreme temperatures, it is always best to ask the factory which model is best rated for these temperatures. Moisture penetration into the transducer housing can cause complete failure. If a transducer is exposed to water or high moisture, it may need to be completely sealed. Some pressure ranges require an atmospheric reference to account for barometric changes or altitude. If the application has a high amount of water exposure, a vented electrical cable can prevent water intrusion. For applications in rain or mild washdown, GP50 provides a hydrophobic vent that allows the unit to breathe but keeps moisture out. Knowing your environmental conditions is critical when specifying a product so as to provide the right configuration. For some applications, EMI or RFI immunity is critical to provide a clean signal. If there are known issues with electrical noise, GP50 can provide further filtering or protection of each unit. Lightning can also play a role in damaging a transducer. Many applications that require mounting a transmitter in a well, weir, or tank outdoors may be susceptible to lightning strikes. Providing internal surge protection as well as protection on the input line can greatly prolong the life of a transmitter that's mounted in lightning-prone areas. There are many factors that can affect a transducer's life expectancy. Knowing all the aspects of your application that can contribute to the demise of your transducer is critical. Conveying these to GP50 when selecting a product will greatly increase the likelihood of a long life expectancy. One of the reasons a GP50 technical salesperson will ask so many application questions is to ensure we provide the right product for your application. For more information on any GP50 transducers, please visit us at www.gp50.com or email our sales department at sales@gp50.com.